Okay, new installation of a Goodman air conditioning system. This is where the start of the operation is going to be, is setting the unit in place. And we will move on to the next thing. Point. Line sets are being brought through the wall. These carry the refrigerant to the condenser outside and into the evaporator coil inside at the furnace. So that's the next step, is to bring this through, and then we're going to bring the liquid line in next. So this is what we have here. Okay, now as you see, we are in a process now of hooking up the electrical too. So you have the 220 line here with a disconnect box. We'll show you the finish on that when that is done. So that's part 3 of the installation. The electrical has been hooked up. There's Bobby, he's doing a little bit of cleanup here. Line sets are in, units on, in here. Let me get around the back here. Line sets and everything's all wired. Bobby, looks good here. Just getting ready to wire the low voltage, that's why we still got it open. And that's the way the air conditioner ought to look outside.